Dear students, today we have to start the last topic of this particular chapter, that is potentiometer 3.16. What this potentiometer is, day before yesterday we have completed the meter bridge. We have seen what is meter bridge, what is the use of meter bridge, and we have seen that there are 3 to 4 practicals we have to do on the basis of meter bridge. Now today we have to see potentiometer. What is potentiometer? Potentiometer is an instrument which can measure accurately the EMF or potential difference across any part of the electric circuit. मतलब क्या है पोटेंशियोमीटर? ये क्या है? ये एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट है जो EMF को एक्यूरेटली मेजर करता है और इट कैन मेजर द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस एनी पार्ट ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट. सो पोटेंशियोमीटर, इसका प्रिंसिपल क्या है? इसका प्रिंसिपल ये है कि दिस पोटेंशियोमीटर, द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द लेंथ ऑफ द वायर थ्रू विच द करंट इज पासिंग. सो हियर विल राइट, when a constant current is passed through a wire of uniform area of cross section. Uniform area of cross section का मतलब क्या है? This means that the area wire will have the uniform area of cross section. मतलब कम ज़्यादा वायर नहीं रहेगा, उसका थ्रू आउट द लेंथ एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन क्या रहेगा? यूनिफॉर्म रहेगा. सो व्हाट दिस प्रिंसिपल सेज, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ पोटेंशियोमीटर सेज दैट potential drop across any wire is directly proportional to the length of the wire. So V is directly proportional to L. Potential difference is directly proportional to the length of the wire. So this is the principle of potentiometer. What is potentiometer? What is the principle of potentiometer? Potentiometer का principle है V is directly proportional to L, means potential difference is directly proportional to the length, and the wire must be a uniform wire of क्रॉस सेक्शन, जिसका क्रॉस सेक्शन क्या रहना चाहिए? यूनिफॉर्म रहना चाहिए, कम ज़्यादा नहीं रहना चाहिए, यूनिफॉर्मली इट हैज़ टू बी प्रेजेंट. तो ये हुआ अपना पोटेंशियोमीटर. सेकेंड वी हैव सीन द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ पोटेंशियोमीटर. नेक्स्ट विल सी द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ पोटेंशियोमीटर. अब पोटेंशियोमीटर क्या है, हाउ इट इज़ मेड? पोटेंशियोमीटर कंसिस्ट ऑफ ए वुडन प्लैंक. ऑन द वुडन प्लैंक PQ is the wire. PQ is the wire which is fixed on the wooden plank, and the wire will be of either it will be of 4 meter or either it will be of 10 meter. So to make the compactness, कम छोटा करने के लिए क्या कहते हैं? 4 मीटर वायर इज प्लेस्ड लाइक दिस, 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, 4 meter. So this wire is having how much value? AB is equal to how much? 4 meter length. Similarly, the second figure what he has shown, AB is equal to 10 meter, means what will 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. तो ये जो वायर है, एवरी वायर विल बी ऑफ 1 मीटर. सो टोटल वायर का लेंथ कितना हो जाएगा? 10 मीटर. तो पोटेंशियोमीटर जो आता है 4 मीटर वायर में भी आता है, 10 मीटर वायर में भी आता है. सो ये जो वायर है बिटवीन द पॉइंट PQ कनेक्ट है, एंड PQ के पास क्या कनेक्ट है? मीटर स्केल भी कनेक्ट है. टू द पॉइंट P और Q है, P और Q के बीच में ये वायर लगाया हुआ है ऐसा. आइदर इट इज़ 4 मीटर और आइदर इट इज़ 10 मीटर. नाउ टू द पॉइंट P ए बैटरी का पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल इज कनेक्टेड. टू द वायर to the point P, the positive terminal of the battery is connected to the point P, negative terminal is connected to the emitter, and from the emitter it is connected to the rheostat, and from the rheostat a plug key is connected and Q point is connected. तो Q जो point है वो किसको कनेक्ट किया हुआ है? नेगेटिव टर्मिनल ऑफ द बैटरी. और P किसको कनेक्ट किया हुआ है? पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल ऑफ द बैटरी. ओके, सो ये जो है अपर सर्किट, दिस सर्किट is called as the primary circuit or it is also called as the driving circuit. तो अपर सर्किट में क्या होता है? करंट फ्लो होगा. तो करंट फ्लो कैसे होगा? बैटरी इज कनेक्टेड, हाउ मच बैटरी करंट इज फ्लोइंग, इट इज शोन बाय द एमीटर, एंड व्हाट इज द रेजिस्टेंस? रियोस्टैट. this rheostat is, if the rheostat is maintained at less value, more amount of current will flow. So the upper end is called as the primary circuit, or it is also called as the driving circuit. Now always we have to understand that P point is connected to the positive terminal and Q point is connected to the negative terminal of the battery through a plug key and the rheostat. So what is the function of rheostat? Function of rheostat is that it can vary the current. So what we have to do, we have to arrange this rheostat in such a way that the resistance should be minimum, maximum amount of current will flow in this particular circuit. क्लियर हो गया? सो ये तो हो गया अपर पार्ट. नाउ लोअर पार्ट में क्या किया है, P इज कनेक्टेड विथ ए गैल्वामीटर G. P इज कनेक्टेड विथ ए गैल्वामीटर G and another end of the galvanometer is connected to a jockey. Already in meter bridge we have seen jockey is a sliding wire which will be slided on the wire. The wire will be made up of constant and magnet. Wire is made up of what? Constant and magnet, and this wire will be slided on this. The jockey is slided on this particular wire. So where we will get the null point. Now what is null point? Where the deflection of the galvanometer becomes 0, there we have to stop. Just like in case of meter bridge, what we have seen, there will be a sliding wire. In meter bridge only 1 meter wire is there, but in potentiometer 4 meter wire or 10 meter wire is there. So when the jockey is moved on the wire at a particular point, what will happen? The galvanometer will show the 0 deflection, and where the galvanometer is showing the 0 deflection, there we have to stop. So this is the construction of the potentiometer. So in case of construction of the potentiometer, what we have to understand, the potentiometer consists of a wooden board on which a long wire PQ of low temperature coefficient of resistivity, जिसका टेम्परेचर कोएफिशिएंट क्या रहेगा, लो रहेगा, वो कनेक्ट किया रहता है. वायर का साइज कितना रहेगा, आइदर इट इज़ ऑफ 4 मीटर और आइदर इट इज़ ऑफ 10 मीटर. आइदर 4 मीटर इज ऑल्सो देयर और 10 मीटर इज देयर. सो 4 मीटर रहेगा तो कितना वायर के लेंथ रहेंगे, 1 मीटर के 4 वायर कनेक्ट रहेंगे. और 10 मीटर में कैसे रहेगा, 1 मीटर के 10 रोज रहेंगे. Okay, so between the point P and Q we will have that the current will be, when the current will stop in this, when the galvanometer shows the point at which the galvanometer shows 0 deflection, there it is null deflection point. So null deflection point we have to calculate. तो ये हुआ अपना कंस्ट्रक्शन. तो कंस्ट्रक्शन में क्या है, फिर से और एक बार देख लेते हैं, रिवाइज कर लेते हैं फास्टली. So in case of a construction, the potentiometer consists of a wooden board on which a long uniform wire PQ of low temperature coefficient of resistivity is stretched on the wooden board between the point P and Q. जो वायर है, द वायर इज मेड अप ऑफ मैग्नीन और कॉन्स्टेंटेंट, जिसका टेम्परेचर कोएफिशिएंट क्या रहता है, लो टेम्परेचर कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ रेजिस्टिविटी होता है. आफ्टर कनेक्टिंग दिस, द वायर विल बी आइदर ऑफ 4 मीटर और आइदर ऑफ 10 मीटर. इफ द पोटेंशियोमीटर इज ऑफ 4 मीटर, देन 4 1 meter wires are connected. If the potentiometer is of 10 meter, then 10 wires of 1 meter is connected between the point P and Q. Now here already we know that why we are considering the 4 meter and 10 meter, because the potentiometer, principle of potentiometer is that potential difference across the wire is directly proportional to the length. So जितना ज़्यादा लेंथ रहेगा उतना ज़्यादा एक्यूरेटली मेजरमेंट हमको करने को मिलेगा पोटेंशियोमीटर वायर में. ओके, सो P एंड is connected to the positive of the battery, negative of the battery is connected to an emitter. From the emitter, rheostat is connected, and to the upper end of the rheostat, plug key is connected, and then that plug key is connected to the point Q. So this diagram, this is the upper part. What this upper part shows? This shows the primary circuit or driving circuit. So what we have to do here in this particular case, first of all we have to arrange the rheostat in such a way that maximum current will flow through the emitter. So rheostat को maximum इसमें arrange करना, in such a way we have to arrange the rheostat so that maximum current will flow in the circuit, and maximum current flowing in the circuit is shown by what? Emitter. Clear हो गया? So this circuit which is showing the maximum current is called as the driving circuit or primary circuit. Now second part of the P, to the P, what is connected? A jockey with a galvanometer is connected to this end. J is called as the jockey. The point where the galvanometer becomes 0, the point when the galvanometer becomes 0, that point is called as the null point or 0 point. There we have to stop the jockey. So this is the construction of potentiometer. So in case of potentiometer, what we have seen, potentiometer is an instrument which can measure accurately the EMF or potential difference across any part of an electrical circuit. What is the principle of the potentiometer? Principle of potentiometer is that the potential difference is directly proportional to the length of the wire. Potential difference wire, and since it is directly proportional to the length of the wire, therefore AB is the value where we will see that in case of a AB wire, AB will be either of 4 meter or of 10 meter. It depends upon the potentiometer. Either it is 4 meter or either it is 10 meter. 4 meter वायर रहेगा, so 1 मीटर के 4 वायर्स रहेंगे, और 10 मीटर रहेगा तो क्या रहेगा? 1 मीटर के 10 वायर्स रहेंगे. क्लियर हो गया? तो ये कंस्ट्रक्शन है, और P is connected with a galvanometer and a jockey. So this is the construction. Now this construction is written here completely. What is the construction? Potentiometer consists of a wooden board on which a long uniform wire PQ of low temperature coefficient to resistivity is stretched on the wooden board between the terminal P and Q. The wire is of manganese or constant end. The length of the wire may be of 4 meter or 10 meter as shown in the figure 2 and 3. The end P is connected to the positive terminal of the battery, and end Q is connected to the negative terminal of the battery through an emitter, rheostat and a key as shown in figure 1. This circuit is called as the driving circuit or primary circuit. The end point P is connected to a jockey J through a voltmeter. This circuit is called as secondary circuit. The jockey can be made contact at any point on the wire PQ by sliding the wire along PQ. A meter scale is fixed parallel to the wire. A meter scale को फिक्स किया हुआ है पैरेलल टू द वायर. तो ये जो कंस्ट्रक्शन है ये पूरा का पूरा ये फिगर में हमने इधर बता दिया. तो ये कंप्लीट हुआ तुम्हारा कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ पोटेंशियोमीटर. क्लियर हो गया? अब सेकेंड इसमें देखेंगे थ्योरी ऑफ पोटेंशियोमीटर एंड यूजेस ऑफ पोटेंशियोमीटर. सेकेंड पार्ट में हम देखेंगे. तो फर्स्ट पार्ट में हमने क्या देखा है? What is potentiometer? What is principle of potentiometer? And what is the construction of potentiometer? तो construction, principle एंड व्हाट इज पोटेंशियोमीटर, ये हमने आज के फर्स्ट इसमें देखा। इसके ऊपर भी हमको 3 एक्सपेरिमेंट करने, 2 से 3 एक्सपेरिमेंट करना है। ओके, सेकेंड पार्ट में हम देखेंगे द थियरी पार्ट ऑफ पोटेंशियोमीटर।